Good evening. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and today is 26th November, Thursday, 2020. We are going to talk about trading the Nifty, primarily focus on intraday trading, but of course, when we talk about an instrument and about the trading, then intraday can slowly expand into swing trading also. So, even if you are not an intraday trader, I hope that the video will be of some interest and use to you. And of course, the focus remains on intraday traders. One of the points that we need to understand when we look at a market, when we want to trade a market, is to identify the trend. Now, if the trend is up, primarily we want to be long in that market, wherever the opportunity comes from. And that doesn't mean that every day opportunity will come, but we know what we want to do. We want to be buyers in this market. If the trend is down, then clearly we want to be sellers in this market. Now again, the opportunity to sell may not come every day, may not come at our convenience, but we know what we want to do. We want to sell if the trend is down. Now there are two issues which come when we talk about the trend. The first issue is what happens if the trend is not up, if the trend is not down, which essentially means what happens on how do I approach the market if I am not sure about the trend. In other words, perhaps the trend could be sideways. How do we approach the market then? And the second much larger question is, what is the trend? How do we identify the trend at all? I'll answer the first question. It is possible to say that the market is sideways. It is possible. We often say that. But whenever we talk about the trend, whether it is uptrend, downtrend, or if you like a sideways trend, which really means that we don't know what the trend is, we talk about a specific time frame. We are talking about intraday trades. We are talking about a time frame next 5 days or next 10 days or a swing trading environment where we look at the trend for the last 15 days and consider what will the next 7 days bring. So, when we are talking about a trend, please remember that we may not be clear about it, but we are talking about the time frame also. If I say that the long-term trend of the Indian market is very bullish, we are in a growth era, India will outperform all its peers, we will see a market that will double and double in the many years to come. Clearly, this is the long-term trend. This trend is of no relationship to what happened 2 days ago when the market fell 300 points intraday. That's 3% intraday. On that day, the long-term uptrend was of little use. So, when we talk about a long-term uptrend, we are also referring to a time frame, long-term. So, when we talk about a trend and say, okay, I think the trend is up, I am really referring to the trend for the next 3-4 days when, or 3-4 days, 5 days when the intraday trade should be on the long side. It is possible that this uptrend may continue for months, but we are always talking about the next few days. We look at the past few days and then identify the trend for the next few days for an intraday trader. For a swing trader, we look at the trend for the last 15 days or a month and then identify what is the trend that is likely to continue for the next 15 days. Now we don't know if this will continue, but that's the best we can do. We can look at probability and say this is the most probable outcome that we can think of. And markets can change. They will change. Why do I say this? I say this because an understanding of the trend is essential for trading intraday, for trading short term, for trading as a swing trader. If we feel that the trend is in an up mode, in a bullish environment, we should not look to go short. Creates a lot of confusion. It doesn't mean that there will be no shorting opportunities, there will be. But it simply means that psychologically we cannot have a clash of civilizations, a clash of two different ideas. I am in an uptrend, I am in a downtrend. Now there is total confusion on what we want to do. I actually never managed to do it. So if the trend is up, I only look to buy and I know that on many days I will not get an opportunity and I have to miss them. So when I give you this advice, I am giving you this advice based on what I do. A very renowned trader, Larry Williams, if you've not heard of him, you must Google him. He's one of the best technical traders and written a lot of books and done a lot of trading. He says, I don't care about the trend. I can buy today, I can sell tomorrow, I can buy tomorrow, day after, and so on. And that's good for him. As I told you, he's an accomplished trader. But for most of us, I think the trend is very important and we should always trade in the direction of the trend, not keep on changing our trades based on the immediate atmosphere. If we are in a strong uptrend, we should look only to buy and forget about the short side, and vice versa. What about the sideways trend? The sideways trend is something that should be avoided as much as possible, which really means, I don't mean you shouldn't avoid and you should not trade in sideways trends. That goes without saying. Once you don't understand the trend, you should not be trading at all. But a much more important point I am making is, don't have a classification called the sideways trend, because then you will never know what the trend is. Is it up? No, it may be sideways. Is it down? No, perhaps it is sideways. All the time we may be going into sideways trends and we will never have a clarity on what the market is doing. Therefore, my suggestion is, I only look at two trends. We are in an uptrend, we may be in a consolidation. We are in a downtrend, we may be in a consolidation. A consolidation is a period when we really don't want to trade because markets go choppy. But the trend is clear. I don't look at a classification called sideways, simply because a sideways classification is badly defined. You can have many ways of identifying a trend, uptrend and a downtrend, and very few ways of identifying a sideways trend, which really means you can make it, on a day-to-day basis. Oh, I have woken up today late, so market is sideways. But you can't say for uptrend and downtrend, if the moving average is going up and my trend is based on the moving average, trend is up. There's no confusion. With sideways trends, there can be a lot of confusion. So my suggestion is, have a trend idea which is always in the market, up or down. When I say in the market, you always have a trend in the market. You don't have to trade always, but you must have a clarity. We are in an uptrend, we are in a downtrend. This is the first clarity that you need to have before you move somewhere else. What is the trend? Only two answers, up or down. Then of course, a second part comes in. How do you define the trend? And there are a million ways of defining a trend. We will focus on a few ways, and that's something we will do. Well, that was about the trend. Now you can all go back after this video and identify what is the trend now. Is it up or is it down? Remember, there is no sideways trend. I would say the trend is up. We had a sharp correction, 300-point decline intraday. We had a sharp rally, 200 points rally up intraday. But eventually, the correction and the rally are balancing each other. We did not have a follow-through of the correction. We did not go lower and lower. So the trend is up and we had a correction, and the corrections will come. Doesn't matter. If the trend is up, then we want to be buyers tomorrow. That is Friday, 27th November. And remember, Monday is a holiday. So the best way to trade is to use options. Either you buy an option spread, a bull spread, buy a call, sell a higher level call, or simply buy a call, and that's fine. If you want to carry this position over the weekend, that is. Or if you want to take a futures trade, that's up to you. But I would still go long at an opportunity. The other point is that ideally you want to go long on an intraday dip. Every day the market dips intraday. At that point we start feeling worried. No, this is not working. That's the point when we have to say, I am buying here. So to me, the trend is up, and tomorrow we should look to go long. Or there are many ways of going long: opening range breakout, consolidation, intraday dips. Choose whatever is comfortable to you. I hope you enjoyed this video and the rather long talk about a trend. Have fun. Many thanks for watching this. Jai Hind.